Today I want to show you the new Pusheenicorn sound toy. It comes in green, pink, or purple. It's a squeeze toy. It's not as sensitive as the Super Pusheenicorn where you just barely touch it. So you actually have to squeeze it. It plays the same song as this first one. Just that little tiny song. But a little bit quieter. No fancy lights. A lot smaller. The mane is a different material than they've been using. It's softer than this one. Softer than this one. These ones, I would say feel like a Halloween wig. And this one feels like a really fuzzy blanket. Or those pom-pom pushings. You know, the little round fuzzy one. It's on the keychains. That's kind of what it's like. Here's some, you get a little tag here. Here's the numbers. And there is a metallic tag, holographic, whatever. That's about it. There's your size comparison.